2,500 kilometres. It's a bloody long paddle by anyone's measure. This is Australia's Murray River. Follow the story of my canoe journey from the highest summit in the land to the ocean. Along the way, there's a beautiful, ever-changing landscape with wildlife, history, poetry, and a bit of campfire philosophy. And there's the reality of water politics and environmental challenges facing our greatest river. It's a very personal journey that explores my family's deep connections with the river and my own obsession with the beauty and function of the canoe. Join me on the journey on my YouTube channel, on the River Dreams series.